Hello and welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your documents in Google Drive to CSV format using PDF.co and Zapier. Before you perform the steps explained in this video, you should have a Zapier account as well as PDF.co account. And you should know how to connect your Zapier account with PDF.co. If you do not know how to connect Zapier with PDF.co, I have made a video on that and I will put the link to that video in the description of this video. So let's begin without any ado. The first step is that we have to click on make a zap. Then you have to select Google Drive from the list of applications. If Google Drive doesn't appear here, you can search it here. I will simply click Google Drive here. Next, you have to select the trigger or the event that causes Zapier to convert your files to CSV with the help of PDF.co. So we want that whenever a file is uploaded to a folder, that file is converted to CSV format. So we will select new file and folder here. And then you have to click continue. You have to select your Google account here. You should be logged into your Google Drive account. So select your Google Drive account, click continue. And then you have to select the drive name. My drive name is my Google Drive. I will select this. And then you have to select the folder in which the files will be uploaded and converted to CSV format. So I will select this folder. You can select any other folder if you want. And then you have to click continue. The final step is to test your trigger. So click test trigger. And it has successfully found your file. So the next step is to convert the files uploaded in your Google Drive to CSV. For that, you need PDF.co. So click continue here. And then from the list of applications, select PDF.co. Here you have to select the operation that you want to perform on the files that are uploaded into Google Drive folder. So here you have to select PDF to anything converter. Click continue. And then here you have to select your PDF.co account. Click continue again. In the PDF URL, you have to select embed link. This link will basically consist of the folder link in Google Drive, and then simply click continue. The last step is to test and review your trigger. So click test and review. There you go. Your trigger is successful. Finally, to turn this zap on, click turn on zap. And that's it. As a last step, you can add the name and description to your zap. So click Google to CSV. And then here you can simply specify, you have to be 20 characters, Google to CSV zap converter. And then here you can give any description. This zap converts this files in a Google Drive to CSV format using PDF.co. And then you have to click save. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can create a zap which converts your Google Drive documents to CSV using PDF.co. Thank you for watching.